filtration, car motivation, keeping it cool and breezy, no more frustration. Reusable and washable, that's what you need now. Superior does filtering properties now. So stop tripping, flipping products that are out of date, cause you know that torque is great. Hurry up, no time to waste. And this is the tool that keeps your car in full effect, no defect. Torque filtration, respect. You want it, go get it. You know you won't regret it. Your car motivation. Torque filtration. You want it, go get it. You know you won't regret it. Your car motivation. Torque filtration.
Torque filtration. Breathe cleaner air. Visit our website at www.torquefiltration.com.
Hi, this is the unboxing of ABM Hood. Okay, used for a lot of things. Whenever you supply filters, you do air conditioning services for clients. So this is one of the tools that we bought in the US. You see shipping cart, and we sponsor shipping cart. But took some time to have this delivered. I think around 3 months, because we have this ship using sea shipment, not air, because it will be costly. The cost to have it shipped by air will be more than the amount of this equipment. So that's how economical this solution is. So let's do the unboxing now. There you go. This is it. It's called CPS and ABM EasyHood. Okay. Smart Connect tools. Okay. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Have it. Let's see. There is fresh from shipping ABM EasyHood, ABM EasyHood, that is. So ganyan siya, be used with your mobile phone when you can use some readings that are required. And so the ABM EasyHood, fast, easy, affordable way to measure your flow. So this one is powered by the CPS Link application. You can see your mobile phone using that CPS Link. So it's an innovative CPS wireless sensor designed to provide a comprehensive, detailed view of the job at hand. So are you ready, guys? Open this up. So we did now open the box, and the shipping box that is, and is the main box of the item. As you can see here, properly packed, actually open already because of some custom clearance. They need to check it. This is the whole package. With nice bag, so pretty neat, very lightweight, portable. Let's see what's inside. Inside is we have this is what the hood scoop, I think, so you can fold it. And it's already the hood itself. Okay, so this is what you need to have in order for you to test the ducts. Vents, pretty much sturdy. Not that light, but yeah, this will do the job. Let's see, just put down the bag here. Let's see. There's more inside the bag. We have the manual. It's the manual. I think this is where you put the sensor. Put the sensor inside. Or here in this, called this. This is called low volume adapter. So if you're going to test a low volume vent, you have to install this one, and I think this is the tester. This is the CPS Balometer. So this is a wireless airflow meter, so it can be used using application that you can download on Google Apps and Google Play Store, if you can see it. Okay, so I know this needs a battery. I'm not sure if it's already comes with one. Yeah, I think it has already a battery, because it's already have a tab here that if you're going to take it out, then it will work. Then there's different type of sensors depending on your need that you have to put here, I think, if I'm not mistaken. We'll see. Okay, so this is the hood. Not sure, let me check how to install the hood, the expansion hood. Okay, okay, this says nothing. Just have to insert it here. I have to insert the hood here. Oops, my bad. Day one, it's broken already. No, just kidding. Then put the hood here, like that. Oops. It should have something to hold on here. clumsy. Okay, I think the hood extension needs a little bit of practice for you to perfect on how for it to properly installed. But nonetheless, here it is. Okay, so there you have it. This is where you put your mobile phone. So this is where any size of mobile phone can fit in this slot. Just download the app on Google Play and Apple Store, then download it, and that's it. Pretty much you're good to go. Alright, okay, thanks so much. That is the unboxing of the ABM Hood, cheapest alternative to test airflow. There you have it. Then 40. Okay. Easy setup and easy to keep. Alright, this one here actually has a pocket for the sensor on the side. There are two pockets on the inside that will hold the sensor, and probably if you have an extra phone that you need to use, then you can just put it there on the side. That's it. Then some shoulder strap. You have to put the shoulder strap here. There you have it. Your CPS ABM EasyHood ready for service. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Bye.